Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to send a one-time viewed photo on Instagram, updated for 2025. If you want your photo to disappear after it's been seen just once, Instagram's View Once feature is exactly what you need. Let's walk through the simple steps together. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your direct messages. You can do this by tapping the message icon, usually found at the top right corner of your home screen. Now, scroll through your DMs and tap on the chat where you want to send your photo. This could be a conversation with a friend, a group chat, or anyone you're connected with on Instagram. At the bottom left corner of your chat screen, you'll see a small camera icon. Tap on it to open your camera within Instagram. This lets you snap a photo instantly, right in the chat window. Go ahead and take your photo by pressing the capture button. Make sure you're happy with the shot, because this next step is what makes it special. Before you send, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see three options: View Once, Allow Replay, and Keep in Chat. For a one-time view, select the View Once option. It's the circle with a 1 inside. This ensures your photo can only be opened and viewed one time by the recipient, and then it disappears for good. Once you've selected View Once, tap the Send button, which looks like a paper airplane or arrow icon. That's it. Your photo is on its way, and your privacy is protected. Remember, the View Once feature is perfect for sharing quick moments or sensitive images you don't want lingering in the chat. Just a heads up, while the photo disappears after one view, recipients can still take screenshots, so always share with people you trust. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to send a one-time viewed photo on Instagram. Try it out next time you want to share something for their eyes only.